Hi, my name is Jan, and I would like to share with you some thoughts regarding a prototype I have been testing for a while, and now I received the commercial version of this product. I would like to open it with you. So we are left with chargers that don't provide much information or features to control the charging experience. So one way to improve our charging experience is by adding an accessory to the charger rather than replacing the charger. So let's take a look at it. There we go. When you purchase this product, you have to choose which adapter is compatible with your vehicle. If you have any doubt, just contact PIDZOOM and they will help you. You can also purchase additional adapters. They're very easy to make anyway, and cables. Pretty well packaged foam and user manual. Okay. By the way, guys, please don't be like those that the first thing they do is toss in the manual like they know everything. No, it's every single new product that you get, read the manual. I already did it because I downloaded from their website, so I can tell you, guys, this manual has everything. And here it is. So this is the charger enhancer with an input port, output port, a display, and 4 buttons. So how we use charger enhancer? As an accessory of the charger, first we connect the charger to the electricity, and instead of connecting the charger directly to the vehicle, we use the suitable adapter and connect it to the input port of charger enhancer. Immediately it turns on, and on the output port is where you connect your electric bicycle, your unicycle, or your scooter directly with the adapter or by using an extension cable. And in case you use 2 chargers, PIDZOOM can also provide a split input cable. And in cases you use 2 ports on your vehicle to split a high current, PIDZOOM also provides a split output cable. Being so tiny and light, it's easy to integrate to the charger. It has 4 feet underneath that provide enough clearance for the air to flow, preventing overheating. And as soon as it is connected to the charger, it turns on. Why? Because it's on standby mode and we can see the voltage provided by the charger. Now we connect the other end. To the vehicle.
Charging.
And we can see the status indicator now is red, showing it is charging. If I want to stop it,
stop charging,
just with the press of a button. And if I leave it like this, it's going to charge automatically, disconnecting when it's fully charged. And this is how you connect charger enhancer to your charger and to your vehicle. I have been using it for a while now, and it has improved my charging experience. It's so light and portable, it's affordable. I don't need to replace my stock charger with an expensive device to get the benefits of a lot of information that is more than just a simple monitor, because I also have customization features, and it provides protection layers additional to those existing on your charger and your vehicle. And if you're like me, I most welcome any additional protection, because unicycles are not getting any cheaper. In next chapters we will see specific ways of using this device, and I hope you like it. See you.